There was a man walking through the world. He made his way to a tree and decided to lay down, rest for a while. As he started to fall closer to the edge of the tree, a bird flew by to give him a vision. Vision of 1,000 suns across 1,000 skies, over 1,000 plains, within 1,000 different dimensions. Each dimension containing a version of himself, following an almost identical path, with all the dimensions overlapping each other. With every decision made, he travels and moves from dimension to dimension based on his decisions. He sees everything turn dark, and in so, he understands that emotions are what can shift us between or keep us stuck within different dimensions. Man awakens from his sleep to see the bird atop the tree. He wonders how long it had been there. And then he decides to carry on his path.